Today we got the gtap Q3, the tablet. It's not charging. I just insert the charger and we don't have any sign of charging. The customer told me he left this tablet for a long time, so let's fix this. So let's now open it. You can remove this shield. We have one screw at this area. Seems this tablet has been opened before. We can just detach the frame from the housing. You can use any plastic tool. We don't have anything stuck at the back when we removed it, but you should always be careful. Sometimes the camera or the speaker could be stuck on there, so you have to be careful. The customer bought this device from me, but he seems he fixed it or opened it not on my shop, so now he bring it with no charging and see if we can fix it for him. We have some screw on the board, we have to remove them. Alright, we have one there and the second one is there. The sticker somehow near the camera is burned out, so I think someone should has opened it before. Yeah. Anyway, it doesn't matter if this one has been opened before. The sticker should be on the battery and not in the middle, the silver one. Let's now remove all flex cables. Be patient not to damage any flex cable. We are going here to fix the charging port, and we maybe have a battery issue. If the tablet left for a long time, the battery could be less than 3.4 volt, so we have to charge the battery outside to raise the voltage of the battery, so then the tablet can make the charge again. We have to desolder or remove the soldering or remove the battery terminals. We have the minus and the positive. Alright, always remove the battery at first, then we can remove anything else. I'm going also to remove the speaker. This is the microphone, no need to remove the soldering. I can just lift it from its place. The camera is being removed, and also we have the loudspeaker. I'm going to remove the soldering from it because no need to remove the screw from the loudspeaker. We should have two screws on the speaker, we just have one. So I told you it's has been opened before. Alright, remove the loudspeaker, the positive and the minus. My soldering today is not good, I don't know why. Alright. The board now is out. Let's take a look at the charging port now. This is the antenna wire. We don't care about it. Alright, the charging port seems broken. Yeah, it's moving. Alright, it's better for me to replace also the charging port. It could be something broken from the inside, so I'm not just going to resolder the charging port and that's it. No, I'm going also to replace it. Okay, we can use the soldering iron to remove it. I'm not going to move too much heat because it's already being removed. So for the camera view, alright, see, it's out. Let's now clean the soldering and see what we can do here, or what type of charging port we can put. As I told you, this one shouldn't be the one factory. I think it's been removed before. These childs are too small, so they barely understand how to deal with the tablet. So they broke it for the third time. Let's remove the soldering. Alright. For now, I don't know which charging port I should use for now, but I will pick up some of them to see which is more better. Let's do some cleaning now. Alright, we have this one, seems perfect to be fit on the place, but it doesn't seem that the factory one. The factory one should be or have legs that should be go to the other side, so we can solder them from the back. But this one we should solder them from the front, as you can see that. We are going first to solder left and right. After that we will take care about the pins. We need to make the charging port solid. After that we can continue. We have something we can solder from the back. We are going to do that. It should have 4 legs, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom, to make the charging port on place and be solid and strong, and not to be broken fast. Alright, I think this should be enough. 2 from the front and 2 from the back should be enough. Let's now solder the pads to the pins. We have 5. Be careful not to damage or mix the soldering with the pins. Every one should be at its own and not connected to the other one. Make sure they are connected, the pins to the pads. After that we can assemble and test. Alright, still we didn't solder the last one. Alright, seems now everything perfect. In the next video we should have better quality. I'm going to get a microscopic camera better than this one, so we can go or zoom in much better with much better resolution. We see what we can do in the next video. In the next video we may not have the full sample. We just maybe have how to just repair the broken things you have, because we are going to use more than one camera and I'm not connected to a live computer, so we can cut that or switch between the cameras. I'm doing this manually, one camera to the other camera. We see what we can do. Let's now assemble and test if we can get the tablet to start charging again or not. Be careful while you are dealing with the flex cables. Alright, I should have put the battery first to check, but it doesn't matter. I didn't know that we have another issue with the battery. Now you will see. I will check it with the multimeter so you can see what I'm going to talk about now. insert the charger. We don't have any sign. Alright, let's remove the battery again. Let's now check the battery voltage that I should do before. Bring the multimeter, put it on the voltage, and let's check. Oh, it's 2, 3, or 2.9. Alright, this tablet can charge if the battery is less than 3.3 volt. So we have to raise the battery few bit to reach some voltage. After that, the tablet can start charging. It's like the battery needs some push to start charging, and the tablet can do that push. I don't know what it called, but there is a name for that. Something like that happens with the cars. Some cars, if you will leave your lightning for the whole night, you wake up and then you can't run the car. So the maintenance man comes with a charging battery outside. He put the terminal, the positive and the negative, for a few seconds, and then he told you to run the switch. After that, the car start working. Alright, in this one also we have to put some voltage to the battery so the battery can reach some voltage. After that, the battery or the tablet can start working together without any problem. I think now we are done charging the battery. Be careful not to mix the positive and the negative. This operation can just work with the adapter. It's a 5-volt adapter, the one we use for the phone. You can use the 5-volt adapter, cut the wire and get the negative and the positive. After that, we can put it on the multimeter to charge the battery outside. That's all. I have just an adapter connected to the electricity. Alright, everything is on the position. Let's put the charger, flip the tablet, and see if we have a sign. I'm looking at the power station. Seems I don't have any voltage. I'm going to use another charger to make sure everything is working. Alright, seems we have a sign. Maybe also our charger is not working. This one, the oldest one, was broken. It's not about the charger, so you don't have to blame me. When we open the tablet, we notice that the charging port is broken. Alright, we have 1.2 ampere, so the tablet is getting good ampere, and that's perfect. I'm going now to assemble the device and end the video. If you have any questions, you can just leave it on the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. We will do something else in the next videos. Peace.